Hey everybody, it's Tiffany. I'm at the Prima booth at Creativation and I am going to show you guys Frank Garcia's new Capri collection. It is so gorgeous and there's Karen over there. I just want to show you guys the papers. So pretty. They have foil on them and I believe the paper pads do not have foil. The single sheets have foil if I'm not mistaken. Then we have this paper here and this one here. So pretty. Hopefully you guys can hear me, and I do apologize for the beeping and all the noise. This one is probably one of my favorite papers. It's so gorgeous. Then we have this one here. You guys know Frank's collections are so amazing. And then we have all the projects here. So gorgeous. I know, I can tell some of these are Stacy's projects. I don't know who else. So if you've made any of these, leave a comment and then let me know. And then we're gonna come around this way. All right, and then I'm coming around to this side. I got a layout up here, and then these are the paper pads. I got 12 by 12, then the A4. And yeah, the 12 by 12 paper pack does not have foil in it. Just keep that in mind. Then we have 8 by 8, 6 by 6, then the journaling cards. And then we got some chipboard, and then another super cute project, some stickers, ephemera pack, and some more ephemera. We have another layout down here. Alright, these are the flowers from the Capri collection. So pretty. Love these ones. These ones are so pretty too. Love the little ones. Got these ones with some like frost on them. And then these vines here, which are really pretty. We've got the mold here, sage and crystals, and wood embellishments. And then another gorgeous layout here. Alright, that is a look at the new Capri collection from Frank Garcia. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.